All right. Welcome to SHOT Show 2026. My name is Craig. This is Tops Knives. We are an American-made knife company. We've been in business since 1998. We make hard-use tools, all fixed blades, uses of all kinds, everything from tactical to survival to hunting, and everything in between. Some of the new stuff we have this year is all out here on this table. One of the ones I'm really excited about is this. It is a machete designed by a guy named Ed Calderon. He's known as Ed's Manifesto. He is a retired police officer from Tijuana, Mexico, and basically his entire career as a police officer was fighting against the cartels. Now that he's here in the U.S., he's doing a lot of trainings. He's doing a lot of different things with knives, and he is partial to paring knives, machetes, things like that. So this is one of the prototypes that we're working on with him. It's a light machete with a nice point, a little bit of a sweep up, so it's great as a meat kind of knife, or as a machete, or as a weapon if needed. So yes, check it out. Some of the other ones we have, basically, this one is designed by a guy named Jared Wihongi, who is actually from New Zealand, lives in Utah. He does a lot of combatives training. He does a lot of Filipino martial arts training. At the end of last year, he actually spent the last few months in Asia training people all over, both like military, police, and civilians. This is a 1095 high carbon steel blade. It's a black traction powder coat. It's going to be offered as a single and a double edge. So if you live in a place where double edge is illegal, we can make it single edge. That's not a problem. It'll have a G10 handle. It's going to be a Kydex sheath. Really, really comfortable handle on this knife. Most likely, the finished product is actually going to be a little bit shorter. We're gonna take off some of the blade length. We're going to take a little bit off of the handle to make it more of a manageable EDC size for a knife. Another one that's really cool. This one is from a guy named Chris Pontius. So back in the early 2000s, there was a TV show called Jackass, and then there was another TV show called Wild Boys. And these guys just did all sorts of crazy stuff that was dangerous and fun and crazy. Turns out that Chris Pontius is actually into knives, and so he designed this one with us. For him, it's going to be mostly an outdoors kind of hatchet, but it also has a spike on the back. So as a tactical tomahawk, this will work as well. It's got a cool Cerakote finish on it. This color is either like a dark blue or a green, depending on the angle that you look at it. G10 handle on it, 1095 blade. Great. It's a great design, a small enough hatchet to fit in a pack. You could carry this easily on your belt without it being too heavy. Just a really cool design, and the guy that designed it is just a fun guy. So we're excited about this one as well. Yeah, so obviously we have tons of other stuff, but check out topsknives.com. You can see all the cool things that we have. We have a lot of new knives coming out this year, and thank you for stopping by.